Hello children, good morning. Children, today we'll be writing notes of Unit 5, A Visit to Remember. Okay? Every one of y'all open English classwork. Once in the classwork and twice in the homework you need to write. So let's start. I'll be writing the spell words on the board, meanings you need to copy down from the textbook. I'll be reading and explaining y'all that one. So let's start. Write Unit 5, A Visit to Remember on pink line. Mention the date. First one, spell words. First one, fascinating. F-A-S, C-I-C-nating. N-A-T-I-N-G, fascinating. Next one, abundance. A-B-U-N, abundance. D-A-N-C-E, abundance. Abundance means in a lot of quantity. Next one, Michael. M-I-C-H-A-E-L, Michael. Fourth one, Junaita. J-U-A-N-I-T-A, Junaita. Next, fifth one, tribe. T-R-I-B-E, tribe. So whenever we are writing the names, you need to write the capital letters. Place, animal, thing, or any names of the things. All the naming words will start with the capital letter. This I have already told you all and explained you all many times. Now sixth one is associated. A-S-S-S, associated. A-S-S-O, asso. C-I-C-A-T-E-D, A-T-E-D, associated. Seventh one, denote. D-E-D-N-O-T-E, note. Denote means what? Represent. Tells us about. Next one, inspired. I-N-S-P-I-R-E-D, inspired. Inspired. Next, ninth one is concentric. C-O-N, C-E-N, centric. T-R-I-C, trick. Concentric. Next, 11th one, depicted. D-E-D-P-I-C, pic, T-E-D-ted. Depicted. Next comes 11th one, after depicted, Dev Chowk, D-E-V, Dev Chowk, C-H-A-U-K, Dev Chowk, D-E-V, Dev, C-H-A-U-K, Chowk, Dev Chowk. Next, 12th one, Lagna Chowk, L-A-G-N-A, Lagna. One second. Yeah. Lagna Chowk, C-H-A-U-K. These are the names of the chunks. Okay? Chunks. One is Dev Chowk and another is Lagna Chowk. 13th one, Warli Art. W-A-R-L-I, Warli, A-R-T, art, Warli art. It's kind of a painting, a art, which name is Warli art. Next, 14th one, intellectual, I-N-T-E-L-L, tell, E-C-T-U-A-L, intellectual. Intellectual means a group with very intelligent people is known as intellectual. Next one, 15th one is from textbook I have given geometrical. G-E-O-M-E-T-R-I-C-A-L, geometrical. Geometrical prints is I explained during the lesson where we get the prints of triangular shape, squares, rectangles and circles. So that kind of prints are known as geometrical prints. Lines or shapes. Next one. Unrefined. U-N-R-E-F-I-N-E-D. Unrefined, which is not filtered, which is very rough. That is known as unrefined. Next, 70th one. Appealing. A-P-P-E-A-L-I-N-G. Appealing, which looks very fascinating, is known as appealing. Or beautiful also we can say. Instrument. Next one is instrument. I-N-S-T-R-U. Instrument. Instrument. Instrument, you know, with what we use to do some work. Next is ceremonies. 19th one, ceremonies. C-E-R-E-M-O-N-I-E-S. Ceremonies. Ceremonies are also known as events. Okay. Now, last one is commercialization. The numbers correct. C-O-M-M-E-R. Commercialization. S-A-T-I-O-N. Commercialization, which is kept. See, commercialization which is available in the market. So here we completed our 20 spell words, children. Now you need to write the meanings by yourself from the textbook. You write down once in the classwork, twice in the homework. First one is, see, it's given in page number 9 as well as in 10. So first one is destination. Destination is a place where someone is going or being sent. Okay, the place where we are going or we are sent by someone else. That is known as destination. Next, geometrical. Characterized by regular lines or shapes. Modernity. Qualities associated with the present and existing. Old things are known as like olden days or early days. Early things. Or modernity means new things. Okay, like old fashioned also we can say for the modernity. Now incredible, old fashioned is the opposite of the modernity, children. Okay, now present is modernity, and whatever our granny and grandfather used to do, that is an old fashioned things. Now incredible, impossible to believe, which happened incredibly, we say wow, incredible, that's impossible to believe with our eyes. Now crude is in an unrefined state, which is very rough, fascinating, interesting or appealing. Concentric, shapes usually circles that share the same axis or center. Tarpa, trumpet like instrument used by warlis during ceremonies. Scribbled, wrote carelessly. Next comes transmission. The process of transmitting through oral or written culture. Transmitting means passing through from one person to another person by writing or saying someone. Next is motif, a decorative image or a design, especially a repeated one forming a pattern. Trumpet, a brass musical instrument that needs to be blown to create sound which could be presented in music. You know what is trumpet is. Now commercialization. Commercialization is make available in the market. Next, adapted, to change its behavior, style or form to be presented in another form. That is known as adapted. That we have adapted to this culture and all because we have to live here. That's the reason we have adapted here in that way. Welfare, well-being, health and future. Okay, children. Now next we will be writing opposites. After writing the meanings, write down the opposites. The opposites are also given in the textbook, page number 10. This will be Roman number 3. Opposites. First one, isolated. I-S-O, ISO, L-A-T-E-D. Isolated is a place where not much of the crowd is available. Like we cannot see many people walking or many vehicles moving around. That place is known as isolated. So opposite to isolated is crowded. C-R-O-W, crowded. D-E-D, dead. Crowded. Crowded is a place where we can see many people and many vehicles gathering or moving. Next one, old fashioned. As I already explained, what is meant by old fashioned. Old fashioned opposite is modern. Old fashioned, modern. Next, imperfection. I-M-P-E-R, F-E-C, faction, T-I-O-N. Imperfection, which is not perfectly correct. So that is proper opposite is perfection. Imperfection, perfection. Next comes boring. Where we feel very bored is known as boring. For this is fascinating or interesting. Fascinating. Okay, boring, fascinating. Next, fifth one, scarce. So which is available in very less quantity is known as scarce. Abundance. A-B-U, D-A-N-C-E. A-B-U-N-D-A-N-C-E, abundance, which is available in plenty. Next, sixth one, older. Older, younger, you know it already. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R, younger. Next, seventh one, past. Past opposite is future. F-U-T-U-R-E. Okay, past opposite is what, children? Future. Now, eighth one, the last one, hate. Hate opposite is always love. So, I hope everyone understood. Once again, I'll read. Isolated, crowded, old-fashioned, modern. Imperfection, perfection, boring, fascinating, scarce, abundance, older, younger, past, future, hate, love. Okay? Now after finishing writing in the classwork, write on even in the textbook. Okay, children? Now here we'll see first learn words. We'll look into A bit first. What you had given, find and write down a smaller word hidden in the given words. One had been done for you. Okay. So here you need to underline the word. Or he has given the space, right? There you can write which word is hidden. One is done for you. See, slaughter, in slaughter word, laugh is hidden. So he have underlined laugh and wrote it again. Slaughter means killing an animal or cutting an animal is known as slaughtering. Then first one we get compassion. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. So here passion is hidden inside. So write passion. Okay, children? Now second, this is A bit. Second one is compromise. Compromise. But we also read as promise is hiding inside compromise. P-R-O-M-I-S-E. Promise. See here, compromise, it is read here because we change the pronunciation depending on the word. Now here, promise, it's not, we will never pronounce as promise. We pronounce always as promise only. Next, third one, F-O-R-T-I-T-U-D-E, fortitude. So here, it's Fort is hidden. Fort means what? A big buildings in which the kings used to live. Yes. Now next fourth one is forbearance. 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 So here forbear is the word. Forbear. We are bearing because of him. That is known as forbear. Next fifth one. Abstain. Abstain. Stain. Here stain is hidden here. Abstain. Sixth one, the last one, abate. A-B-A-T-E, abate. Here ate is hidden. A-T-E, ate. Okay? So write beside to this word here. Okay, children? Now next, here you need to write the opposites, whatever we have written now. Next, coming to the page number 11. This one is your homework part. True or false you have to write. Michael and Junaita were disappointed to see Warli art. Warli painting is done on a regular basis. Warli tribes lived on the outskirts of the city in tiny houses next to each other. White paint and painting brush are used to make Warli art. Next, Warli art was taken up by Jivya Soma Mashe and Balu Mashe for the pure love of the art form. Then question answers we'll be writing in the next video. Okay children, take care.